In my video guide, I will give you instructions that will help you to remove the online scam coming from the site Crabeu.info. This is the malicious website, and according to my observation, this site Crabeu.info attacks computers in Germany, even though other countries may also be attacked. Crabeu.info is a deceptive and malicious site. It claims to be related to some decent security software, but even though it uses the name and the logo of this software, it is not related to it. Crabeu.info is the website that displays scary messages trying to encourage people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. The website says that your PC might be vulnerable to viruses and other threats. In some other versions, it may also display other faulty and pretty frustrating alerts, trying to encourage people into clicking on this Stay Protected button. But when they click on that button, they get redirected to some other deceptive website that may promote a totally different software. So, speaking about these pop-ups by Crabeu.info, they are absolutely faulty. You should not trust their misleading pop-ups, and you should not tolerate them, of course. The reason why these pop-ups come up on your screen is because your computer or your browser could be messed up by some adware. For instance, you see these multiple ads attacking your screen in the right part of your screen, and if you click on them, you may be brought to such shady sites like Crabeu.info. First recommendation I can give you is to carefully examine the control panel of your computer, and if you find some suspicious programs on the list, go ahead and uninstall them in a regular manner. Your browser may also be infected. I recommend you to use a special tool that will help you to automatically clean both your computer and your available browsers. I recommend you to consider trying Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to detect and eliminate all other possibly hidden threats that could still remain on your computer. You may get Combo Cleaner's latest version on the website combocleaner.com. Download the installer using this green download button, install the application, and then start researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.